G'day y'all, welcome back to the channel. Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead. So this is what we got left for the hens all. We're down to these girls. I had to keep my Americanas and my Brahmas. I just couldn't let them go as bad as I thought I could. What have we got going on? I took these all out earlier, by the way. I was in here. 3, 5. Alright, we got a white one over there. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 so far. A little Silky still just sits there. Eh? What do we got left for feed here? These are almost out too. But I bought 2 more bags of feed, so we should see how much longer my feed should last now. What are you doing, Shy? Couldn't sell you, no. No, they asked though, they were going to take you. And I said, nope, can't sell my girl. I know, I'm sorry. They don't like me taking their eggs. All right. Oh, we got eggs everywhere. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. We'll see what these girls got. All right, you're fine, but you know you're gonna have to get down eventually. You got 2 eggs. That's all. Oh, geez, they're warm. They're so warm. They're. That's mama and daughter. Mama and daughter. That's their babies. All right, chill out, would you? Those white ones are so sketchy, let me tell you. Then we got another white one. They lay everywhere, see? And when I come in here, sometimes you see them all up just randomly in the rafters. Lots of mosquitoes. Yeah. Here's what I got. I'm gonna put this over here in the corner, but I don't think anybody's gonna go in it. But I gotta put some new bedding down in here. Now that I have it closed off. The hens really aren't that dirty, believe it or not. They're more dirty in the wintertime, obviously, because everything's locked up, right? So that's one thing that would be nice on a new chicken coop would be your outdoor run to be like locked up. And she's so broody that if I gave her an egg, she would probably sit on it the whole time. But I'm not going to. I wish she would come out of her broodiness. Now let's see if there's any eggs in this top corner. Nope. Alright, y'all. So that's what we got for eggs. Lots of whites. That's why I bought them. Alright, y'all. Have a good one.